Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle. To my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious potato porridge. So guys, stay tuned and let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. And now, let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to be needing red bell pepper, roughly blended, and onions. I have some scent leaf and ugu leaf. They are frozen ones. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. So next, we have our homemade paprika powder, seasoned cube and crayfish, fresh pepper at your taste, and some salt to taste. Here I'll be using vegetable oil and red palm oil. You can as well skip any of them, so it all depends on your choice. So choice of protein, I have my dried fish, mackerel fish, stockfish already cooked, but this is totally optional. So here I have my peeled potato and well cut. You can as well cut to your desired size. To begin, we are going to start by frying the roughly blended red bell pepper. So in a clean dry pot or saucepan, add some red palm oil and add your vegetable oil. You can as well skip any of them, it all depends on your choice. Once that is done, allow it to heat up. Once that is done heating up, add in some salt, your chopped onions, and stir fry for about 2 minutes or more. Yeah.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit.
Now add in the roughly blended red bell pepper and stir until it is well combined and keep stirring. Fry for like 10 to 15 minutes, or you can as well fry to your taste, okay? Yeah, as you can see, this is how I want mine. So now I went ahead to season it with some homemade paprika powder, some seasoned cubes, pepper at your taste, crayfish adjust to your taste as well. Now I added in the fish, so this one is a little bit tough, so that's why I added it in now. Now add in the stockfish, though it is already cooked, but I want it more soft. Now add in your washed, peeled potatoes. As you can see here, I'm done adding the potatoes. Now stir it around, stir until it is well mixed. Add some water to the level of the potatoes in the pot and still add more water if it is not enough. Okay? Feel free to test for salt just the way I'm doing here. Now I tested for it and it is perfect. Now go ahead and cover the pot until the potato is well cooked to your taste, okay? After some minutes now, we're checking on the pot. As you can see, our potato is done. To know when your potato is done, once a knife goes into it easily, the potato is now done. So I went ahead and added in my grilled mackerel fish, season it up with some crayfish. That's the remaining crayfish. I added it back. So now I'll be adding in the vegetable. I started by adding in my scent leaf. Remember, it is optional. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Now I added my ugu. Give it a stir until it is properly combined.
Shira's kitchen there for you. Then they put call we active. As long as it concern food.
As you can see now, I am done turning it. So the next, I cover the pot and let it cook for 2 more minutes. Okay.
You don't
2 minutes later, we are checking on the pot. As you can see, our potato porridge is done. Give it a gently and lovely stir and turn off the cooker or heat. Yeah, it is done and ready.
Shira's kitchen there for you.
It is time to serve. Are you a lover of potatoes? This recipe is for you. You know, with that kiri kiri azu, if you try this recipe, you will never stop asking for more. Honestly, guys, this tasted so super delicious. Hope you give this recipe a try and you will love it. Please, if you do, let me know what you think in the comment section below. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye.